Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and scroll on down and smash that subscribe button to join me on all my Minecraft adventures, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, we're going to be heading to the Avengers dimension, hopefully meeting up with all the Avengers. I'm talking Spider-Man, Iron Man, and hopefully the Hulk, guys, if he's there. I would name all the rest of the Avengers, but it would probably take me like 5 days. But what you guys are going to need to head to this dimension is you're going to need 10 red wool, and you want to go ahead and place 2 of them on the ground just like that. Then you're going to need fur white wool. You want to go ahead and place 1 of those on each side of your red wool, just like that, guys. Then you just want to go jump on up, and then place 1, 2, 3 red wool, and then 1 white wool on top. And now you just want to go ahead jump on down, and just go ahead and place 1, 2, 3 red wool, and then 1 white wool on top. And then, oh my god, that chicken looks so evil. Don't he look evil? That's an evil chicken, guys. Now you just want to go ahead and you want to put 2 red wool in the middle, and boom, you are finished, guys. After your frame looks exactly like this, all you want to do is whip out your flint and steel and light this baby up. Boom. Wow, don't that look amazing? Oh my god, that chicken's trying to get away. I'm going to go ahead and catch him on fire, guys. Watch this. He's never even going to expect it. Ooh. Oh my god, he's running around. He's running around. Oh, look, guys. It was a bad ending for him, but it was a pretty good ending for me. Now you just want to go ahead, hop on in, and wait for this to load up. Hopefully I'm not an old senior by the time it loads. Oh my god, what is that fire doing right there, guys? And oh my god, what is that? What the heck is that thing? It's a pony. It's a pony, guys. There for a minute it was freaking me out, but oh my god, guys, the Avengers Tower, guys. Oh my god, I was not expecting this, guys. And whoa, that is absolutely humongous, guys. And look at the A on the side of the building. That is amazing, guys. It has to be at least 500 blocks tall. Let's go ahead and head on into this building, guys, and see what's going on. It looks like there's a lot of zombies hanging on the outside of this building. Oh my god, there's a skeleton. Oh my god, I'm running away from him, guys, because I'm not an Avengers yet. But whoa, guys, look at that waterfall. That was pretty cool. That's probably what that skeleton baths in, to be honest. But let's go ahead and look in these rooms. That must be where they watch TV. And I'm not even sure what that room's supposed to be. This must be their bathrooms where they get dressed and costume up. And then that must be the offices. And then this must be their lunchroom, guys, where they eat all their food and their cereals and whatnot. And then I'm not even sure what this is supposed to be, like a library. That's what it looks like, guys. And oh my gosh, that must be where they keep all their outfits. And this must be like their little dojo where they learn karate, guys. And then what is this? I'm not even sure what that's supposed to be, guys. Let's go ahead and keep on heading up. And oh my gosh, this must be Spider-Man's room, guys. Oh my god. I cannot believe. Oh my god, he's coming right for me. For some reason, Spider-Man's never liked me, guys. He's always wanted to, like, shoot webs in my face, like, beat me up, and, like, lock me in my locker. And I'm not really sure what his problem is with me, but he definitely has a problem with me, and he really needs to get it checked out by the Hulk, or maybe Iron Man, if you know what I mean. But whoa, guys, we just climbed all the way up here, guys. Like, look down there. Just take a look. See how far of a drop that is? That would be a really, really long drop. Let me go ahead and shoot an arrow down there. See, guys, the arrow didn't even make it all the way down there. That's how long of a drop it is. And oh my gosh, I about dropped down there, guys. That would have been bad. That would have been real bad. But let's go ahead and head on up into the attic, guys, where the Hulk lives. Oh my gosh, where's the Hulk? He must be out, guys. He must be out on vacation or something. Let's go ahead and head on back down, guys. I actually plan on... Oh my gosh, it's Spider-Man. Let me go ahead and shoot him. Boom, headshot. Wow, guys, we took him out. 1 shot. Can you guys believe that? We took him out with 1 shot. Oh my gosh, there's a skeleton. Oh, I missed him. Oh, I missed him again. Oh my gosh, he's trying to shoot me, guys. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. You want some, bro? Boom, take that. Boom, take that. Bang! Knocked him out, guys, just like Avengers. I think that makes me worthy to be in the Avengers after killing that guy. But I actually plan on throwing my pig off the side of this roof, guys. And then I'm going to blow it up. So let me go ahead and throw him off. What? What? Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my god, did you guys just see that? I tried to knock my pig off the roof and then he somehow flew back onto the roof. He must be some kind of super pig or something, guys. You know what? I'm going to have to go ahead and use some TNT and blow him off the roof. He might be able to escape a lot of things, but he will not be able to escape this explosion. And I guess I won't be able to escape it either, guys. But hopefully, my superpowers kick in once I blow this TNT up. And then I go flying off like Iron Man. So let's go ahead and eat an enchanted golden apple and blow this TNT up, guys. We should both go flying. Hopefully I go flying off like Iron Man, guys, and I'm actually able to survive this. Oh my gosh. Oh no. No. Oh, that did not go how I expected it to go, guys. Wow, I cannot believe that. I actually ended up dying. Well, let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing dimension down in the comment section below. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.